Oscar. Oscar got the big gun, George has got the baby gun. George is a bit small, Oscar's a bit big. 3, 2, 1, start!
I got him. Last one. And then one. I hit him. Why? This is a tiny area. Oh my god, where's my other one?
Oh, okay, that was...
It's a tiny area. I need to go to the toilet.
George needs...
And our backseat taking the big...
Okay, that was it for...